And before, so one dot above.
Altitude glide slope.
Yeah. One dot above the glide slope, we set up the airspeed to 90 or power to 90 knots, and we notch a flap in.
Yep. One dot above.
Heli Team 2, one station.
Glide slope is alive, it's moving.
Team 2, roger, thank you.
LPB is good there. Altitude, holding the altitude for now, good. We don't have clearance to land yet.
I see the runway.
Yep.
Alright, so it's going to give us that turn anticipation, but...
Yeah.
And the glide slope is coming in. So nav approach, altitude, glide slope. So we don't have to worry about anything here.
No.
This is where it's
It
at.
will do it, yep.
Okay.
So one dot above, let's start slowing the aircraft to 90. 90 bit.
Land executive tower tag 114
Before landing checklist, so lights on.
Swift 4 Foxtrot Alpha, proceed direct runway 7, clear to land.
Fuel pump on.
Direct runway 7, clear to land, runway 7, tag 114
Everything is on, looking good, engine gauge is good.
Okay, we should be 10 degrees, right?
Yes. And then we're descending now. So just power 17, and the autopilot will continue. We'll hold. It will hold here the glide slope and the track.
You say about 90, right? That's about where we are.
Yeah, 90. Give it a little more power.
Okay, 19 inches. How's that?
Archer 79 Charlie, start your descent.
Archer 79 Charlie, descending.
Heli Team 2, leaving the airspace to the north.
Heli Team 2, roger.
Oh, yeah, we're doing good.
Oh wow, look this.
Look at what?
A building?
Downtown? Okay.
So descending. Good. Holding the...
Archer 79 Charlie, number 2, follow Skyhawk 1 mile final, runway 7, clear to land.
Archer 79 Charlie, number 2, final, following the Skyhawk, and we are clear to land.
Skyhawk 161, resume navigation outside Bravo airspace. Good day.
Navigation outside the Bravo, good day, 61.
Wind estimated 010 at 13, gust 20.
The only thing that we forgot to put here is the decision high alert. It's just for an alert.
Yeah,
If you know your number, you know, you don't need to do that step, but
right,
it's a good tool to have.
Yeah, we'll do that next time.
Yeah.
Yeah, take your pictures, dear. Okay.
That's amazing.
Yes, it's amazing. I used to fly up and down the Hudson River in Manhattan.
Oh yeah?
When I used to go to Atlantic City. Yeah, boy. All right, let's see. We got good. Yeah.
Okay. So let's reduce the power a little
4
more.
Foxtrot Alpha, turn left Alpha 5, contact ground point 4.
Because we're above the flaps limitation.
Okay. Yeah, that's right. Above the flaps. Okay. All right. So, say disengage autopilot.
Yeah.
Okay.
idle it?
Diamond 786 Kilo Mike, Executive
down.
Tower. Proceed eastbound, remain north of the runway 7 final, and report 3 west of the field.
Eastbound,
Okay.
report 3 mile final of the field for 7. 6 Kilo Mike.
Diamond 6 Kilo Mike, I want you to remain north of the runway 7 final. Approach control is vectoring a Beach jet that's going to overtake you.
We'll remain north of the final 6 Kilo Mike.
Excuse me, dear.
Archer 79er Charlie, contact ground, point 4.
979 Charlie, over to ground, point 4.
Tower 1 Golf Lima is ready to go at Alpha 7.
November 611 Golf Lima, Orlando Executive Tower, left turnout, runway 7 Alpha 7, cleared for takeoff.
Are you okay? Executive ground, Archer 979 Charlie, off active 7. On, looks like we're just short of Alpha, taxi to Delta Air, Shelter Air.
Archer 979 Charlie, Orlando Executive Ground, taxi to Shelter Air via Alpha, runway 31 Foxtrot.
Okay, that's Alpha 31 and Foxtrot for 979 Charlie.
Is it after landing checklist?
After landing. Okay, we got the flaps, fuel pump off, lights off. Okay. And I think this is it, right?
Yeah, Alpha down there.
Down here, okay. That's Bravo.
Yeah, that's Bravo. Wing correction, sir. You forgot your wing correction there when you're landing.
Oh, you mean when
you land?
Oh yeah, I didn't put the control wheel in, right?
Yep. So aileron to the wind, rudder to keep the nose straight.
Yeah. This plane wants to fly.
Oh yeah. If you don't idle it, it'll...
25 degrees of flaps.
Oh,
but
yeah.
The landing was all right, though.
Yeah, the landing was good. A little long. The ground effect. They were just floating on ground effect.
Floating. Okay, runway 31.
Oh, 31 and then Foxtrot. So we turn here, right?
Turn right here. And then Fox. I got it.
Foxtrot. And we are on time.
Yeah, good. Yeah, well, I didn't like the idea of you catching any slack on because it was my fault.
Oh, you're fine.
The least I can do for you, not give you trouble. That was a good stiff wind, anyway.
Oh, yeah. You have a good understanding of the autopilot now. You just need to, practice it, and don't forget the throttle.
Don't forget the throttle.
Let's slow down. You see the car? Oh, go that way.
Okay. Okay, dear. Yes, dear. That's what they say to their wives. Yes, dear.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Yes, dear. I think we're going back to where we were.
Yeah.
We're early, so we're good. Well, I got a lot of questions answered today, so I'm glad I met you. And I didn't want to cancel out on you. Ooh, look at that.
Executive ground, Malibu 1228. Can I get flight following to Kilo Sierra Echo Mike?
A little more?
Yeah, yep, more.
Calling for flight
And stop.
Malibu 1228.
Okay, let's
We're
get
holding short for
radios
takeoff.
off.
Runway.
Now I got it. Okay. All right. Well, what do you think?
It went pretty good.
Oh, no, but I'm getting, that was,
Yeah.
I
I basically understand now that when I watch the videos, you know, because you're thinking about it and you're saying, okay, I got this much, now what comes next? But you got to kind of mess up so you see why they have to do it a certain way.
Yeah.
All right, so anyway, but I'm good. I'm good.
The only thing that I noticed on the approach was when I pressed approach here,
Yeah.
the heading bug was here. The aircraft was gonna go that way.
Why? Because it's in approach mode. It shouldn't be looking at heading.
Exactly. So it has heading and approach. So I just went to the heading and then just set up like heading and the course together, and then the aircraft went back to it. So I guess on the approach mode, you just need to be aware that your heading bug needs to be on your approach course as well.
Well, I got it all on camera.
Yeah.
Miss Amberly's voice. And okay, good. All right. Airplanes in one piece. Amberly's in one piece.
We're good.
They usually don't put the parking brake on, do they?
No.
No, in case they want to move it. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. And this belongs down there.
Let's make sure everything is off here.
Yeah.
Yeah. This one we always leave it like that. I know people that like it to put it off.
Oh, you want to leave it that way?
I mean that's off. I like to leave it like this because once you put the master, you know the beacon is already on.
Yeah.
To alert the people.
Right, that the airplane is active.
Exactly. Everything's good.
All right, excuse me, dear. Just want to slide that in. Thank you. Well, now you don't have another lesson?
No. I don't. Beautiful day.
Yeah. Yeah. Go ahead. You can get your stuff. Now, Amberly, I have no idea about the hops time.
I grabbed them. Once we go in, I show you what how much we flew, so we can do the logbook.
Ah, yeah. Okay. All right.